I don't need nobody, body. I don't need nobody, body. I don't need nobody, body like I need you. I don't need nobody, body. I don't need nobody, body. I don't need nobody, body like I need you. Don't you know? No. I'ma make it to the top of the world. Don't.
Yo, dude, I look so good at this point. Marry me right now or I'm dying.
Marry me right now, or I'm dying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay guys, so today's video, as you can see, is the Africa month finale, guys. Like, I can't believe that I managed to stick to this for 4 weeks and just like trying to come up with outfits and all of that. Today's outfit, guys, as you've seen, a girl is looking peng. Okay, I'm looking peng. I can't even lie. But also, if you knew that, like, I literally had to cut this material into like the different things that I would need to achieve this dress, and then we just held it together with a belt. Guys, I think it's time I buy a sewing machine and get my tailor on, because this month I have shown you guys skill. Like, I've really shown you guys skill. Anyway, so I'm gonna get into the video now, and I'm gonna show you how I achieved this beautiful hair look, this beautiful makeup look. And yeah, I really feel like today it's like African bride vibes. Like, I'm ready. Okay, if you're out there, okay, dear no one, whoever you are, if you're out there, I've got the hair, okay, I've got the makeup, I've got the outfit, babes. Bring the cows home. Ooh, I'm joking. The time has not arrived. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, guys, enough of me being silly. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to start by parting my hair right in the middle from ear to ear. And once I've done that, I'm just going to comb it in place to make sure it doesn't move. Now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to apply that all over the hair as usual. Make sure to be generous with that gel. Next, I'm just going to take a scrunchie and tie the bottom half and then tie the top half together. And I'm also going to use a brush just to comb that gel in to make sure that my hair is looking nice and sleek. Now I'm going to take the tail comb, and I'm just going to use that to do my baby hairs. Then when I'm done, I'm going over that with a toothbrush, just because that helps me to get more control over the baby hair look that I'm going for. So I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm taking my expression. As you can see, I just twisted it, nothing serious. And I'm just going to apply the first twist onto my first ponytail. And I'm going to wrap it around at an angle. So as you saw, this is like a side sort of bun situation. So I'm taking my bobby pins to hold everything in place on that side, and just use as many bobby pins as you deem fit just to hold everything in place. And as you can see, I'm just going to wrap it inside each other so that there are no gaps when I'm done, like so. So I'm going to repeat the process at the back. I'm going to apply or tie on that ponytail, and then I'm just going to wrap it around and pin it at different intervals just to make sure it stays in place. And there you go, the back is done. To finish this hairstyle, I'm just taking those pearl hair clips and I'm going to place them on the one side. Now I'm taking my Patricia Bright palette to do my eyeshadow look. So now I'm starting by patting on the darkest brown on top of my crease, so slightly above where my eye crease is, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Next, I'm going in with that light brown color, and I'm going to use that to diffuse that brown just so it's not looking harsh and so that it just looks like it's fading into my skin. Once that's done, I'm taking a peach color and I'm just going to dab that all over my eyelid, starting from my inner corner, and I'm just placing this eyeshadow where my eyeball ends. So yeah, where my eyeball ends is where I'm placing this eyeshadow, and I'm going to do that on both sides simply because I was not in the mood to cut my crease. But you know, it came out well, so it's great. Now I'm going to the other side and I'm just going to repeat the process. Just tap it onto where your eyeball ends. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild liquid liner and I'm just going to do a little cat eye, but it's so small you can barely see that it's a cat eye. I'm simply just going for something nice and simple, nothing too dramatic. Now I'm going in with my Essence mascara, and of course I'm applying that to my eyelashes on both eyes. Next I'm taking my Lash Addict lashes in Yes Queen, and I'm going to apply those. As usual, wait for the glue to get tacky and then place it with your fingers, then move it into place using your tweezers. Remember that the glue dries clear, so once you've placed your lashes, just give it time to dry. and that's it for the makeup look. Okay guys, so now I've shown you how I achieved this beautiful look for today. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout this whole Africa month journey. You guys' engagement and feedback has been so amazing. I'm so glad I decided to step out of my comfort zone and do something like this. If you guys would like to see more content like this, or if you'd like me to do another series, themed series, let me know, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe.